So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use Gemini on Chrome to create study guide from educational video. So first of all, open the Chrome browser on your PC. And now, here I have a video on how to start app development. So now let's create a study guide. For this, click on Ask Gemini. Now here let's type create a complete roadmap for app development as discussed in this video. So here it have created a roadmap. First, choose a development path. Next, select technology. Next, learning phase. Months 1 to 3, advancement of skill. Months 4 to 8, etc. And so Gemini created the complete roadmap for this video. So in a similar way, you can create study guides for any educational video on YouTube. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.